Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem range sum of BST. Given the root node of binary search tree, return the sum of all values of nodes with a value in the range low to high, including low and high. So, given a BST tree and the low and high is 7 and 15, so we will check if this node lies between the range. Yes, it lies. So, 10 plus, then we will call left and right subtree. Then we will check 5 is in the range. No, then we will go check whether 5 is less than the current low. It is less than, so we will call the right subtree. So we will call the right subtree, then we will check again. So 10 plus 7 and 15 is in the range of 7 to 15. So hence the sum of these three number is 32. So let's understand in more detail. So we have range 7 to 15. So what we will do, we will first compare with the root node. If root node lies in the range, we will add the root node and call the recursively for left and right subtree. So here in this case, yes, 10 plus, call the left subtree and call the right subtree. Then once we reach on the left subtree, we will check this 5 is in the range. No, which means we will compare again the root dot value. 5 is lesser than the low value. So this range, whole range will be lies on the right subtree of this node. So we will call only the right subtree and return it. So we will call this and then we will check this node. This is yes in the range. So we will add 7 from here plus, then here we will check this 15 is in the range. We will add 15 plus, this guy is out of range. So hence we will stop. So this is the sum, which is 32. And the base case, if we reach on the null node, we will return 0 from there. So it's very straightforward problem. So let's implement the code. So for the code, we will first check if root is null, then we will return the 0. Then we will compare if root dot val is greater than the high of our range, which means our range lies in the left subtree. So we will call the range sum of BST same method recursively for the left subtree method and pass the low and high as it is. Then we will check else if root dot val is lesser than the low, this means the range lies between the right subtree. So we will call root dot right, otherwise we will return and add the root dot value plus call the root dot left subtree so that's it. This is a simple recursive implementation. So let's compile the code is getting compiled and we are getting the correct answer. Let's try to submit it and it is accepted. So what is the time complexity? So the in worst case, the time complexity of the solution, we will go through all the node of our BST, because if the range is in the minimum of the BST and the maximum of BST, hence the time complexity of O of n and the space complexity, like we are just using here variables, but if we consider call stack, recursion call stack, that can go up to, if it is balanced, O of log n. In worst case, it can go off n if we have skew BST. So that's it. You can try the iterative solution, that is also very straightforward. It's not that complex. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.